Alright, y'all, we're going to run this 2-winner Surge Protectors power strip. We have 30 spots at $1 each. We learned to 25. Spot 1 and 2, each win 1. We'll copy our list and go live at 10:36. It is 10:36, rolling to 10:37. We'll roll the dice. We need a 4 or higher. We have 2, so we'll roll again. Alright, we have 5, so we'll randomize for the first time at 10:37. After the first time, we have 25 items in our list. Tammy on top, Tanya on the bottom. Dice was 5, so we'll go 2, 3, 4. After the 4th time, we have Tracy on top, Shanika on the bottom. We've gone 4 times. Our dice was 5, so we'll go for the last time at 10:37. Good luck. Alright, congratulations, Shanika and Anita. We had 25 items in our list. Spot 21, Shanika Davis, and spot 9, Anita Kraft, are our winners. We have randomized 5 times. Our dice was 5, so we are done at 10:37.